Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well today. In this video I wanted to show the newest addition to our food journals, which is a food sensitivity journal. This journal is a daily nutrition logbook and it's designed for anyone who has any kind of food sensitivities or diseases or conditions related to digestion, nutrition, and other factors that influence our well-being daily. This journal comes in the A5 size, so it measures 5.8 by 8.3 inches. You have the pen loop for your pen, and you also have the elastic band. And now let's see what exactly you'll find inside. As always, you have a user guide, and the user guide has also detailed instructions on how to use the journal itself. And then you have 3 sheets of stickers, and you can use those to decorate your journal, organize your thoughts, or highlight important bits. For example, this one is really helpful for tracking your supplements. Then this one, so you can mark anything that's important. You have some motivational quotes, some fun illustrations. I think those are great. And then the journal itself begins with a first page where you can add your name and contact details. So if you lose it, someone can find you and give it back to you. And then you have the introduction for the journal that tells you about what exactly you'll find inside. So basically, the journal is for managing your gut health, and it's suitable both for the people who have specific conditions such as Crohn's or IBS, or you are just starting out your nutrition journey and you want to identify your food triggers and adjust your diet. This tool is great for both. Inside the journal, you'll find special trackers and tools for tracking your daily food, sleep patterns, fiber intake, hydration, mood, medication and supplements, and your symptoms to reactions to all of those. So it's not just food oriented, but there is also a lot of other data you can track. So why exactly would you want to track your gut health? There's a lot of different reasons, and the first one is identify your specific food triggers. Each of us has different triggers. We might not have any, but if you feel like sometimes you don't feel your best and you might be affected by certain things, you might want to keep a daily diary where you record everything you eat and other data to be able to see what exactly is impacting your well-being. Then you can use your data that you record to monitor any trends. So being able to record everything daily over time actually helps you to see the bigger picture and see if there is any patterns in how you eat, how you sleep, and how it impacts how you feel and how you digest food. In turn, collecting all of that information helps you to optimize your diet. So it's a great way to understand if there is anything that you need to consume more of, if you need to eliminate anything, if you need to pay attention to certain things. Maybe you need to eat some things in the morning and some things closer to the evening. This is a great way to understand that. Also, it's helpful in facilitating medical consultations. So if you come to any medical appointments with a detailed record of everything you eat, that means you don't have to try and remember things and maybe be not fully clear or correct about some of them. And it's a great way to provide your doctor with also helpful information, which in turn means that your doctor can enhance their treatment efficacy. So they provide you with a more efficient treatment that is based on much more information that you can provide them with, compared to if you just were trying to remember things by yourself. And finally, keeping a food log can help you cultivate mindfulness. So beyond the physical, this journal will encourage you to take a more mindful approach to eating and living. Then at the front of the journal, you'll find some helpful information, including this map of dietary triggers that are called FODMAPs. This might not be the exact triggers you will have because everyone has their unique ones, but it's a good place to start to see if you might have sensitivities to any of those things. Then you have some helpful resources and further reading, including websites, organizations, journals, and books you can read to learn more. And then finally, you have a small article for understanding your bowel movements and this QR code that will take you to the Bristol stool chart that helps you understand all the different types of bowel movements. And now finally, let's move to the daily page. So every day features a page like this. You can start by recording the day and date. It marks the day of the week here. You can record your wake-up time, sleep time, and sleep quality here. Sleep is really impactful and it can really affect our nutrition and digestion. So it's a great way to track that. Then here you can mark your daily intake of fiber, your daily intake of water, and then your mood or stress level as well. And then for the foods, you can record each food you consume for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Then the serving size for each thing you consume, because it's not just the foods that can trigger things, but also the exact serving size you take. So for some things, maybe you can eat less of them and not feel anything. And for some things, you would be able to eat much more and not feel any reaction. So it's a great way to track that. And then here you can record any symptoms, reactions, or any other notes. So this way you can track if you experience anything after consuming those foods. Then after each meal, you can track your bowel movement type from 1 until 7, the time that happened, extra notes if you need to. And then finally at the bottom of the page you have a tracker for supplements and medications. And here you can record something you take, the dosage, time you took it, and any reactions you might have. So basically for this page you can not only track the foods and serving sizes and your reactions to them, but also some extra information including your sleep, fiber intake, water intake, stress, and also supplements and medications, which are great for helping you get a much bigger, wider picture of everything that might impact your digestion. For this journal, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any further questions, do let me know in the comments, and I will do my best to answer as soon as I can. Please like this video if you enjoyed watching it, follow our channel and press the notification button to be notified every single time we post a new video. Thanks a lot, bye!